Hello and welcome dear students. I am KUMAWAT, your maths teacher. Today we are going to start the second topic of maths part 1, that is matrices. For this chapter you should know the definition, expansion and properties of determinant that we have already discussed in 11th standard. So before you watch this video, I will suggest you to revise the chapter determinant of 11th standard. So without wasting our time, let us start the definition of matrix. The singular of matrices is what? A matrix. So matrix is the arrangement of m into n numbers in m rows and n columns in a rectangular bracket is called as a matrix of order m by n. Now what is the meaning of m into n numbers? Suppose we have 2 into 3, that means total 6 numbers. The arrangement of 2 into 3, that means arrangement of 6 numbers in 2 rows and 3 columns. In 2 rows and 3 columns in a rectangular bracket, this arrangement is known as a matrix. So matrix is just the arrangement of numbers. For example, this matrix contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It contains 2 rows. Horizontal lines are known as rows and vertical lines are known as columns. So this matrix contains 2 rows and 3 columns. So 2 by 3 is known as order of the matrix. Now what is the meaning of order of matrix? Order of matrix is what? Number of row by number of column in a given matrix is known as order of matrix. So the order of this matrix is what? 2 by 3 because it contains 2 rows and 3 columns. Matrices are usually denoted by any capital letters. For example, A is a matrix. Now let us take another example. Suppose the same elements are arranged 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and in 3 rows and 2 columns. In 3 rows and 2 columns because 3 horizontal lines are there and 2 vertical lines. So the order of this matrix is 3 by 2. So what is the order of matrix? 3 by 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 are known as order of matrix. In this order of matrix, the first number always denote number of row and second number denotes number of columns. Now what is the representation of a matrix? Matrices in symbolic form they are represented as, suppose A is a matrix. So a matrix is represented as Aij and m by n is known as order of matrix. Now what is the meaning of Aij? Aij is the element or the number present in the given matrix. Element or the number present in the given matrix. Now what is I and j? I denotes ith row and j denotes what? Jth column. For example, suppose A is a matrix having 3 into 3 total 9 elements. So the order of this matrix is 9 and it contains 9 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what is Aij means what? In symbolic form these numbers are represented as A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. These are the position of the elements in a given matrix. Now A11 indicates A11 is the element of first row and first column. In this matrix 1 is what? A11. So A11 equals to 1 in this given matrix. Now suppose if I ask what is A31? A31 means what? The element of third row and first column. So the A31 element is what? A31 is equal to what? A31 is 7 in this given matrix. If I ask what is A23? A23 is what? 6 here. So Aij denotes position of element in a given matrix. It is denoted by Aij, denoted by Aij. If we place this element in a rectangular bracket, then it becomes the symbolic representation of a matrix, and matrices are usually denoted by any capital letter. You can denote it by from A to Z by any capital letter. So Aij single without bracket, it is simply an element. And if we put a bracket, then it becomes a matrix. So let us take one example on the basis of this definition. From first exercise, the question is construct a matrix A. Construct a matrix A of order 2 by 3. Of order 2 by 3, where Aij is given I minus j the whole square. Now what is meaning of 2 by 3? 2 by 3 is known as order of matrix. Now what is order? 2 indicates number of row and 3 indicates number of column. So this matrix A contains 2 rows and 3 columns. So in symbolic representation, how will write the elements? 2 rows and 3 columns. So this is the A11, A12, A13. 2 rows, A21, A22 and A23. A11 means what? First row, first column. A12, first row, second column. A13, first row, third column. A21, first row, second row, first column. A22, second row, second column. And A23, second row and third column. Now let us find, we are given Aij equal to, what is Aij? I minus j the whole square. Now we have to find A11, means we have to replace I and j by 1 1. So A11 equals to 1 minus 1 the whole square, that is 0. Next element is A12. A12 in short, we have to put I equal to 1 and j equal to 2. So the elements becomes 1 minus 2 the whole square, that is minus 1 the whole square, that is 1. Next element is A13. A13 is what? I equals to 1 and j equals to 3. So I equals to 1 and j equals to 3. Oh, now 1 minus 3 is minus 2 and minus 2 the whole square is what? 4. Now next element is A21. A21 means what? I equals to 2 and j equals to 1. So I equals to 2 and j equals to 1. So 2 minus 1 the whole square, that is 1 square, and 1 square is 1. Next element is A22. A22, I and j both are equal to 2. So 2 minus 2 the whole square, that is 0. Next element is A23. A23 means what? I equals to 2 and j equals to 3. So put I equals to 2 and j equals to 3 in the given equation. So 2 minus 3 the whole square, that is minus 1 the whole square equals to 1. Now we have calculated all the elements of the given matrix of order 2 by 3. Now put all the values in the given matrix. A11, what is A11? A11 is 0, A12 is 1, A13 is 4, A21 is 1, A22 is 0 and A23 is 1. And this is 2 by 3 is known as order of the matrix. So with this we have completed the basic part, definition part of the matrices. In the next lecture we will see the types of matrices. Thank you.